there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to talk to you about the 7th generation chlorine-free pads that I recently tried. I really like them. I do try to go for a more natural pad, either cotton, or I want to make sure that they are chlorine-free like these. Who knew they put chlorine in the pads? Like, why, right? So these ones I felt really comfortable using. They are the overnight. They are ultra thin with wings, and I will show you what that looks like. They are also pretty long, which I like for those heavier days and nights. This is about 11 to 12 inches, I would say, and you can see there the wing. So a wing, I think, is essential at that time of the month just to keep everything nice and clean. If you're looking for something that is comfortable during that time of the month, that is gonna give you the protection you need, it's not gonna feel bulky, and also isn't going to leach chlorine into your body, I definitely would recommend these from 7th generation, but that's just my point of view.